Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about architectural pattern of this Flutter. Architecture in the sense it's not about MVVP or MVC architecture. It's just building blocks, basic blocks for which forms a Flutter like widgets, layouts. So that's the topic which we are going to cover today. So first of all, as I said earlier, widget it's the entire basic concepts in Flutter. So everything, each and everything is in Flutter is a widget. Our entire app is itself a widget. Inside that widget, everything, even from text view or text, that everything forms a widget. Widget combines with another widget, forms a one widget, and then it again combines with another widget, forms a different widget. So if we start more than one, it should categorize under some layout or layer. In that way, we can categorize widgets into different layers. For example, we'll minimize this for better understanding. Okay, let's take this. So this my app is a one widget. As we already said, my app is a user created widget. This widget forms the basics of Flutter application. For this application, my app widget is a root application. It's user generator. This comes under first level, a user generator, first top level. Inside that my app, we created one material app widget. This is a inbuilt widget. This has some specific properties like home, title, theme, everything. So this widget is one more widget which comes under second level. So root level, we have one user defined widget. Inside that user created widget, one inbuilt widget, that's a material app. That material app has few properties like title, theme, and home. So this forms the second level of widget. Inside that second level of widget, we are having two widgets. So again, this is a property. This doesn't come under widget. This is just a property. So inside that material app second level widget, we have two different widgets. So that's a my home and theme data. So theme data we categorize as a separate widget. This my home is again a user created widget. This comes under third level of widget. So first level is my app, second level is material app, third level is my home page. So this my home page is again one user created widget. Inside that widget, we have scaffold widget, which comes under fourth level. Inside that scaffold widget, we have two different widgets at same level. If you see, we can take app bar as a one widget and center as a one widget. So first level is my app, second level is material app, third level is my home page. Inside that fourth level is scaffold. Inside that fifth level is both app bar and this center. So we can categorize both as a same level. Inside that same level, inside that app bar, we have one more widget which comes under next level. Inside center, we have one more text which comes under same level. So basically, this both comes under same level. This both comes under same sixth level. So this is the leveling of order in which we can categorize the widgets. Okay, after widgets, here comes gestures. So gestures, it's basically a user, if something user types or something user taps, that comes under gesture. For that, we have special widget called gesture director. Gesture director is basically an invisible widget that can able to capture our user interactions like tapping or dragging or clicking, so whatever it may be. We're gonna see this gestures as a separate concept itself. Just for understanding, we have widget. Inside that, we have one separate widget for gestures. That's a gesture director. We're gonna use that in upcoming tutorials. And next we're going to see about concept of state. So state, as we already saw, we have two widgets for states. One is stateless and another is stateful. So basic difference between those is in stateless we don't have any state and we don't need to store any information of that particular screen. But in stateful widget we have particular state for that widget. It may be one or more than one. We can store some information inside that state and we can use whenever we need inside that particular widget. That's a concept of state. We have two, stateless and stateful. Okay, and then last one is layers. So layers or layout. Layout is an important concept in Flutter framework. We can categorize layers into multiple levels. So topmost layer will be an Android or iOS platform specific layout which comes natively, and second topmost layer is Flutter's native widget. So that's the second topmost layer. Inside that Flutter's layout, we have multiple layouts like whatever we use. That's for gestures and whatever we use for user interactions. That comes under the Flutter's native layers. So finally, we have foundation for the Flutter's app. So this is the layer. Like first layer is platform specific, then Flutter's native widgets, and then our user interactive widgets, and then foundation. So that's how Flutter architecture works. This is basic overview. We have to cover both all three widgets, layout, gestures as a separate tutorial. So in next section, we are going to see deep about widgets, layout and gestures. Thank you.